You're welcome. You're welcome to another rhyme class. And before we start our rhyme for today, I would like to remind you of our last rhyme topic. The topic of our last rhyme was this little pig went to market. Beautiful. We talked about the characters, the setting, and the new words taken. Hope you also remembered I told you that the new word taken in that rhyme was roast beef. Roast beef, which means a kind of meat. Very correct. So that now brings us to today's rhyme. So the topic of our today's rhyme is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. We are also going to be looking at the characters, the setting, and the core vocabulary. So before we look into that, I would like you to enjoy yourself with the rhyme. So dear, sit back and watch the rhyme on 1, 2, buckle my shoe. I'll be right back.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. And 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, now lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sounds pretty good, let's do it again. So 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. And 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, now lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sounds pretty good, let's do it again. Singing na, na 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 na. Na 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 na, na 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 na, everybody clap. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, a little faster now. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. And 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, now lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sounds pretty good, let's do it again. Singing now. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. And 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, now lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sounds pretty good, let's do it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. And 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, now lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sounds pretty good, let's do it again. All right, big ending, ready? Do 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 do. Yahoo!
1,
You're welcome back, champion. You're welcome back from that interesting rhyme. So looking at the characters in this rhyme, can you tell me the characters in the rhyme? Very good. Clap for yourself. The characters in this rhyme are the children. The children. You're very correct. So talking about the setting is a house. The setting is a house. The house where the door was shut. If you can remember vividly in the video, theory 4 is to shut the door. And the house is where the door was shut. Very good. Very good. It means you are following. Very correct. Now talking about the core vocabulary. The core vocabulary is buckle. The new word taken is buckle. Remember I told you the new word taken is also known as our core vocabulary. And the core vocabulary of this rhyme is buckle. Buckle, which means to fasten together. Very beautiful. So thank you, champions. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. We talked about the characters, we talked about the setting, we also talked about the core vocab, which means buckle. There are other things that we can also buckle, like our belts. We can buckle our belts, and our coats. We can also do buckle them. So thank you, kids. Do not forget to do your assignment and your quiz. Till we meet in our next class. See you.